Hey YouTube, it's Rye5228 here with Chris Gibbons on YouTube. I don't know if you guys see this or not, but this has been added to the list. Hey Chris?
Yep.
01 Banshee 350. I just picked up, I don't know, 3-4 days ago, Chris? A week ago, last week sometime. But basically I'm doing a complete overhaul on it. So I picked it up for a decent deal, and you know, Chris came, picked it up with me, gave me a hand, helped me pull the motor out and everything, gave me a few tips and that to rebuild it. Basically it's on the bench right now. We'll go over there in a second, but let's just say I basically got it here, took it apart, and realized that the subframe on the back is bent. And same with the handlebars. There's actually a piece right here that's bent, so I actually have to buy another frame. So I found a frame for about 400 bucks, waiting to get the frame, but until then I've actually went ahead and ordered everything for the engine. The engine is taken apart right now. I've got pretty well everything stripped right down. I'm waiting for a flywheel puller so I can pull that flywheel off, split the cases on it, just because I want to take a look at that crank. I'm unsure if I want to buy a crank or not, but basically I'm into it for cylinders, piston, new head, pretty well everything. The crank's good. None of this has any play up and down, so the bearings are good on the rods. Other than that, I basically pretty well stripped down the whole other side of it. It's all cleaned out, ready to be taken apart. I've been cleaning it more and more as I go, but yeah, Project Banshee's pretty well fully funded and ready to go. I've ordered a new front fender for it, because the one I got's cracked, and I plan on keeping the thing for a while, just because, you know, Banshees are getting rare nowadays and they're pricey on whenever you're looking for a used one, and you might as well just keep it, right Chris?
Yep.
Plus I'm also picking up a set of pipes for it once we get her going. But other than that, 2001 Yamaha Banshee, I'd say about another 3-4 weeks it'll be first startup video. And we'll smell a bit of a two-stroke smell in this garage, eh, Chris?
Yep.
He's pretty jacked himself. He's more of a gearhead than anybody else I know,
Yeah,
especially with two-strokes. He likes his two-strokes.
Yeah.
That's what he's got going on right now. He's getting there. Indy 500 swap. Basically bought a 680 Ultra part sled. Engine ran and all that. Had a bunch of decent parts on it, as you can see. The control arms off on this side. They're all going on to this 500. He's having some issues with these ones. Sees bolts, so we got to cut some bolts. And
every single fucking bolt in here is seized in the bushing, so they gotta be sawzalled off. It's not looking cool.
Pain in the ass. But he's stripped pretty well everything off. Secondary clutch is off. Chain case is all off. He's just got the drive shaft to take off, and finished taking off this control arm here.
Take the belly pan off and take the skid off and swap that.
And then he's taking the track.
Track is going.
But right now he's browsing eBay there. He sees a set of what? What are you looking at on fucking eBay?
Set of PSI pipes.
Yeah, so
No idea what they are.
You might see those in that thing by winter, most likely.
It'll be a bit of a wild card because you don't know what model number they are at all. They need a bit of work.
They're PSI pipes. Didn't PSI go out of business or something like that?
Yeah, they went out of business. They went bankrupt a few times from what I heard.
Anyway, guys,
Yep.
we'll see you in the next video. Hopefully in the next video we get the Banshee going, up and running for you guys, so you guys can see a first start. Basically, it's going to be a stock build, 64mm pistons, just a regular head. I changed the clutch basket to a billet clutch basket just so I can change those bushings inside. That's basically it. It's just going to be a stock. I got the pipes up on the wall, the stock pipes right there, but I'm not using those. I'm planning on buying a set. Alright guys, take care. All the way here from Sudbury.